Hello. All right, so today we're going to be talking about the kinesthetic learner. Do you find that your child gets antsy during class? Do they learn better by trial and error? And do they oftentimes learn better if they can be moving around and they have lots of energy? If that's the case, you could have a child who is a kinesthetic learner. Kinesthetic learners learn best by moving around. They also learn best by touching and manipulating things. So if they have the opportunity to do that, that'd be the best route for them to be able to retain the information. And otherwise, if they do have to be reading text and studying through their notes, it's best if they can be standing while they do that, or even sitting on an exercise ball, so that way there can still be some movement in their body. Otherwise, if they are studying for a test and maybe they have to be memorizing dates or terms and definitions, a great idea is to have them go outside and maybe shoot some hoops, play some catch with a family member while the family member quizzes them. So they have a lot higher success rate of retaining that information if they can be doing something active like that. Or maybe when they're reading, they can be reading a chapter in their book and then do a lap around the house, run around a little bit, and then come back and read the next chapter. They are able to stay a lot more focused if they do an activity in between their studies like that. Otherwise, the best scenario for success is to use materials while they learn. So if they can use the manipulatives to learn math concepts, or even just writing out in note cards that they can carry around with them and be reading the definitions and terms and concepts on note cards while they're moving, that's great. Drawing pictures while they're learning, that's another great strategy. And lastly, chewing gum. If they do need to be just sitting down and focusing, sometimes chewing gum can help them focus for a little bit longer and retain that information. So that's what I have for you for kinesthetic learners. Hope you have a great rest of the day, and I will see you again next week. Thanks. Bye-bye.